After visiting of our website, our audience navigates to another web page of our website on the same window or tab. For this, we use internal linking. And sometimes, after clicking on a link, they navigate to another website or another website's web page in the new tab of search engine. This is called external linking. In this video, we will talk about internal and external linking. So let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about what is internal linking and external linking and how do we will apply it. First of all, we will know about internal and external linking, that what are these terms. For example, I want to read a blog related to digital marketing. I write what is digital marketing and I open this website, and here I click on a word which is linked, and you can see the same window is open again with the same website but with a new blog. This is called internal linking. And if I scroll down and again I click on a word which is linked, then you can see the new window is open with the new website and with new blog. This is called external linking, right? As you know that our whole website doesn't rank, our web pages rank. So that's why we want that if our traffic is coming to one web page of our website, then it diverts to another web page and goes there too, so that the audience retention increases on my website. That's why we use internal links. And whenever we have to give credit to someone or someone has to favor someone, for this procedure, links of some other websites have to be attached. That is called external linking. First of all, let's understand the important points to consider while doing linking. Then we will see practically that how to do internal and external linking. Internal linking. Internal links are very important for better crawling and indexing of our website, because when a user can divert from one web page to another, then our crawler will also be there. It will also divert. So if you want to do better crawling and better indexing, then you should attach internal links for this. Keep your internal links in a very natural way. Now the question arises here, how many links you can attach? Many people say that you should have 150 links, not more than this, on one web page. But I recommend it that you have to attach links in a natural way. Don't do overstuffing, overlinking. Then there is no limit to how many links you will attach. Just it should be done in a natural way. If I talk from the point of view of SEO, you can be less than this and you can do more than this, but you have to make sure that that web page is also available which we are linking. Now let's talk about external linking. External linking should be done on authentic, reliable and trusted website. And normally mostly we try that the links of our website or web pages should be pasted on a good website, so that if there is good traffic on that website, then they have been diverted a little bit on our website. We also call this backlinking. Now let's see practically how we can do internal and external linking on our website. For example, this is my website Organically Marketing, and I have two blogs. One is Organic Keyword Research in 2025 and Advanced SEO in Digital Marketing, and I want to attach both of them with one another. Just go to your dashboard, WordPress dashboard, go to your post, edit the post, and here I first of all I will find a word where I can attach the link naturally. For example, this is keyword research point or heading in my blog, and I will select this word and I will go to that blog which I want to link. I will copy the URL of that blog and I will select the word, click on link, paste the link, enter, hit enter. The link is pasted. Just save and preview. If I open my blog again, then I click on this and you can see the internal linking is done like this. And if I want to do external linking, for example, I want to attach SEMrush website with my blog, so I will go to this SEMrush website and find this keyword research blog. I will copy the URL of this blog, select this SEMrush, click on link, then I'll paste the link, hit enter, and after hitting enter you can see that a pencil icon is also appear. Click on this and check the box open in a new window because this is external linking. Save the link, save and preview. Now if I go to my blog and I click on SEMrush word, here you can see the next window is pop up with the SEMrush blog of keyword research. This is called external linking, right? So this is the way that you can do internal and external linking on your WordPress website. I really enjoy when I do on-page SEO. It's very easy and interesting process. What do you think, viewers? So I hope you have a little idea about internal and external linking. If you have learned anything from this video, then don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any video. Thanks for watching, viewers. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.